All right, we're going to make some guacamole. We got guacs, this, that, and those. That's a lime. That's tomatoes. That's a, I guess, purple onion. And these are avocados.
Might be okay.
Last but not least, don't cut your fingers. This is twist it. Looks pretty good. That one's good. This is how you get the nut out.
Yes, that's how you get
Just like that. Bam. Bob's your uncle. Ready to rock. Yeah. Now my honey likes to get any of that little brown stuff off of there, which I just eat it. I don't really care. Gonna throw them in there. So we're scooping them with a spoon. Spoon scoops.
It'll be brown on the outside edge.
That's okay. I think they're gonna be good. We may have to make our corn chips with cheese to go with it. See, she's scraping all the brown off. I would just eat that. So I'm not that picky.
Bottom of this sneak peek.
Down to the last scooper.
The air, is that just crazy outside?
Yeah.
Gosh.
Did you see the big giant thing that came off of Antarctica and caused 80-foot waves down by
No, what and where is that?
by South Africa?
No.
Yeah, now it's supposed to come. It's supposed to be in the northern Atlantic now.
Like when?
So maybe that's one of the things that's causing the weather. I don't know. Right now. So I'm wondering if we're going to get a tsunami. They got tsunamis down in
Seriously?
South Africa. Yeah.
So it fell in the Antarctic. When?
It was just a giant blob that came off of
when did that
Antarctica.
fall?
I don't know. They don't know what it is. It's really weird.
You said something fell.
Nothing fell.
You said something fell off Antarctica or something.
No, I said a big blob started in Antarctica
Started in
and moved up.
Oh, and moved.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know. It maybe, I'm thinking. I hope it's not I don't think it's a hoax, but guess we'll find out. Oh, what do you think? I don't know. That looks pretty gross. It's pretty brown.
Yeah, just the
I don't
brown.
know if you're gonna save it. That does not look good. I don't think so. This side looks not as bad.
It'll be icky underneath. I can see it.
What do you think?
This is okay.
All right, shove it in there. Guess we'll find out when we mush it together. Avocados, not right, not right, not right, not right. Spoiled. Yes. Yes. Waste not, want not, and she will not waste anything. She makes me eat everything from the back of the refrigerator. No matter how long it's been there. All right, that's that. Got all that gross stuff out of it. All right, now what do we got to do? We got to chop this up and chop these up. This is a labor saver. It's in the lock position right now. To get it off lock, just twist it, and it pops right up. And then you can choppity chop. She's putting lime in there right now. But this is called OXO Food Chopper.
Not very much here.
Why don't we put the tomatoes in? Maybe we should put some olives in there too.
Yeah,
What do you think?
I can just because.
I mean, we need, just for filler.
Yeah, I know. That's why I use
You know what I'm saying? We really don't have a lot.
Where's this?
I got it right here. It's ready to go.
This.
Oh. She's saving her onion.
If I get another
Do
ripe.
you remember that meme that was going around telling people they could be killed by saving onion
By what?
in the refrigerator? You remember that?
What? No.
Remember that? Yeah, it said if you put your onion in the refrigerator, it'll kill you. Don't make her mad because she will beat you like a red onion. I think you're good. I think that's pretty chopped. I think that's chopped.
Probably too much, but I'm gonna get hoping another ripe avocado. Get me the garlic.
The garlic. All right, we're cutting up some tomatoes. Getting them cut up. You didn't use all the onions.
I know, I only have three. The avocado, I have to see it. It's too much.
Just put it in there. We'll eat it.
I know you'll eat it, but this is for when they come.
We got salt, pepper, and garlic over there too. Oh, she's gonna. I think you just throw those right in. I don't know if you really even need to strain them. They look pretty
The
non.
juice makes it turn quicker. The
I
drier.
love the juice.
I know, but we don't need it.
You don't like the juice? Oh, she's smushing all the juice out. That's the good stuff.
Honey.
And you lost the two pieces.
No, that was bad.
Oh, okay. Put it in.
You want to get a can of olives? Go ahead.
Can olives out of the refrigerator?
Yeah.
Okay. Put some garlic in there. I didn't see her do it though. All right. Here comes the peppers. Pepper it up. And you got the sinks running. Wasting water. Saltage. Sea salt. All right. Yeah, you might as well put the rest of those.
I have to stir it and taste it first.
We're going to put some of these olives in there. Olives are good. There's a madness to her method. Careful, that thing is, oh shoot. Let me get that one escaping. Good. All right. We're going to use this. Wow, that is so much faster.
And I keep trying to use my right hand for some shit.
Throw it all the way in there. That's going to be like what do you call it?
What?
Tapenado or?
No. Tapenade.
Yeah, might as well just put those onions in there too. It'll just give more
I just
filler.
want to make sure because too much onion, everybody it ruins. No, I don't need that anymore.
Where's the spoon?
Not on my clean floor.
Oh, that's going to be good. You know what would be good in there?
What?
Some cucumber.
Yeah, I don't have these. So.
That's going to be a good thick paste.
When I go to the store, if I get a ripe avocado, I'm going to get it.
Maybe we should throw some more garlic in there.
I did have a lot of garlic in there.
I saw you put like about a half a teaspoon.
No, it was like a tablespoon of garlic in there. Three things of it.
All right, you insist. You want a chip to taste it?
Yeah.
Let me get you a chip. All right, here you go. What do you think?
They don't like the lime chips.
Good? Why is it all about what they don't like? What about what I like? I like it. Tastes good.
Good. Okay,
Really good.
put that back.
Here's your finished product, ladies and gentlemen. Double
It's in
dipping.
the drawer.
All right, good. All right, we're just gonna put her in here. Oh yeah.
You get me the spatula
A spatula?
right there, so they're dried that I
I'm
want.
like a physician's assistant. I give her all the implements of cooking so that she can properly position. All right, that's our guacamoles. Now you gotta find that. It's a square one, honey. That's it. How do you like the way that works? See that?
Put this in there.
These things are all glass.
Put that in
The top's got like a little silicone on it, but it keeps everything fresh. And you know what? You're not using plastic. See, all glass. We use glass. We don't like plastic that much.